Good afternoon, everybody. You want to take a look at what's happening here live? I have Google that just reported a quarterly report, 1:06 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 29 of 2019. And you could see this big red bar. You could see how this thing is tanking. You could see the price. They had it at 12.96. We're printing at 12.40. We are printing at 12.40, 12.41. Look at that big down red bar. That's just as big as the Empire State Building. We're going to get some numbers on here, and we're printing at 12.47 right now. We were buying 12.20 puts below the market for this kind of outcome that we're seeing. I will update with the numbers. Right now, we're still printing at 1240. You can see how big this 30-minute chart, you can see how they're getting killed. That means that this market is going to be going down considerably here. We've made a top in the U.S. markets. This is the earnings. You're going to have 50% more of the S&P 500 companies coming out. And I can just tell you right now, Google is getting smoked. Right now, we're printing down to 1238. I'm still waiting on the report. I can just tell you right now, it's a massacre. And not only that, the bigger FANG stocks have reported earnings. With this big gap down, as long as it stays there, that's going to drag the rest of the market down. The things that we're finding out right now, the revenues for 36.34 billion versus 37.36 billion S&P Capital IQ consensus. They missed on that number by a pretty good margin here in after hours. You can see this big bar right here going straight down. That means that those $220 puts at $2.60 are going to have a big payday. One of the things that we want to show is that the Q1 March results misses on the revenues, and they did. And the actual earnings of $9.50 per share included a $1.7 billion fine from the EU. So that they finally had to pay that. Advertising rev were plus 15%. Paid clicks, and this is what we were talking about. The paid clicks, the way that Google makes money, that thing is down minus 9%. And we are trading at 12.20. Yes, we are 12.28. That's part of the story. So cost per click was plus 6%, impressions plus 5, and cost per impression minus 14%. Operating margins 18%, X the final item, or 23% that came in with these numbers. This is a big headache when you see the big Google missed earnings. We already knew that before we went into this report and whatnot. And I'll be happy to show you exactly what we were looking at. All right. So that's the story there. So let's go to this. Okay, so that's not it. Let's see if it's that one there. So let me get that out of the way. Hit enter for 29. All right. Copy it, paste it. All right, let's get this out of there. Okay, so move this down. Okay, so missed on revs.
Down $71 right now.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Was 96, 1296. Now it's only 1220. The low of the day, 1225. Damn stupid fool. Fool. Well, are you gonna help me to get out of this mess?
Yeah, I'm right now doing something I got to get done here. So yeah, well, there's no man. Just have to wait here. S&P. I have people texting me. All right. Um. So here, let's do it from format. Why do I have to format? Okay. Arial 14. All right. Two one. Okay, March we go. I don't need that anymore. Just for the weight. All right. So 71. Those. This is on revs. Okay. Now let's do this. We have it.